Hi everybody, it is Artist King here, back with another video. So, you see my art journal stuff? I'll tell you about that in a little bit. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, I appreciate that. And most of all, feel free to subscribe. That always makes me happy. So anyway, today I decided I would try to start doing an art journal. So I bought a gel plate which I never used before, so I'm experimenting in a lot of ways here. So I think I bought this pad, and there's I can't even remember right now how many pages there are, but I'm gonna try and do over the next few weeks. I'm gonna try and do some of these pages for my art journal. This is the first time I've tried to do this, guys, so bear with me if it doesn't conform to the normal pages. But I thought it would be fun to play around with textures and patterns and things like that. So that is why I decided to do this. But so anyway, you guys, you could keep watching, but I always got something to say. So I was thinking, how are you guys celebrating the holidays? Are you guys, going out and shopping, putting a lot of stuff on credit cards and then struggling to pay? Or are you just having a Christmas where you are going to show the people in your life that you love them? You're going to show them that you appreciate them, or are you going to spend a whole lot of money that you don't have? And then come January, you're struggling. Just putting that out there. I don't know. I don't do all the fancy stuff for Christmas. Like at work, they have an office decorating contest and doing all this stuff, and I just never really get into doing all of that. I appreciate the day. I'm a believer, so I do believe in Christ, in Jesus Christ, and all that stuff. But I don't go all the way out to celebrate, to do all the things that people do, because I feel like it's kind of almost pagan. Like, we just do this. Why can't we show people that we love them all year round? But that's just me. Guys, I always give my opinion, so please don't be offended. That's just me. Everybody's entitled to their own opinions and their own way to do stuff. I just choose not to do all of that stuff. And I think too, maybe it's because I am away from all of my family. Where I live, I have no family members here, nobody really to make memories with as such. So I don't know, that could be the reason why I feel the way I feel. So just kind of always remember, it's just my opinion. So anyway, guys, I hope you like my first attempt at the first page of my art journal. Leave the comment, hit the like button or whatever you want to do. Give me some feedback because this is something new. Okay, guys, so thanks again so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay, all right, thank you, bye now.